Yesterday an image leaked showing a part of the upcoming Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 front, and today we get the same treatment but for the back. Once again we're not shown the entire thing for whatever reason, only a little bit of the top side. It is however enough to see the corner angles, which are highly reminiscent of Samsung's latest Ultras in the Galaxy S series, as well as the camera island design, which is very typical Samsung. The camera islands themselves should be bigger than on the Fold 5, and they have new rings around them as you can see. That's pretty much the extent of what's revealed in this image. A few weeks ago, Samsung Insider posted a video of the alleged Galaxy Z Fold 6 screen glass, showcasing a squarish design with dish-rounded corners. The third-party accessory indicates the S24 Ultra screen design could be seen in Samsung's next foldable phone. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 external screen width is 60.2 mm, while the Fold 5's external screen width is 57.4 mm. Therefore, you can get a wider external screen. And now Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6 design revealed in leaked case, and this is Galaxy Z Fold 6 case render. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 inner screen measures approximately 7.6 inches. On the front, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 has a cover display measuring approximately 6.2 inches. Both displays will be dynamic AMOLED and support a 120 Hz refresh rate. The cover display should have the new Corning Gorilla Glass armor for protection. We can also expect a higher peak brightness of about 2600 nits. Samsung may be bringing a huge camera upgrades to the Galaxy Z Fold 6. We'll see the same 200MP ISOCELL HP2 camera sensor found on the S24 Ultra inside the upcoming Fold 6. 12MP ultrawide with the 10MP 3x optical telephoto camera, 10MP cover display front camera, and 4MP under display camera. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 is packed the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for Galaxy chipset, also have 12 or 16 GB of RAM and up to 1 TB of UFS 4.0 storage. The phone will also ship with One UI 6.1.1 based on Android 14 out of the box and should get 7 major OS updates and 7 years of security updates. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 is expected to become official in July 10th at Samsung's next Unpacked event alongside the Galaxy Z Flip 6, Galaxy Watch 7 series, Galaxy Watch Ultra, and Galaxy Ring. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.